Now before reading the clinical document, we should discuss what is primary diagnosis. Basically, as per definition we must check what is the reason for admission and the final diagnosis. Sometime patient is coming with any symptom, and after all the testings, physician diagnosed with any definitive condition. For example, patient is coming with chest pain and the final diagnosis suggested definitive diagnosis of coronary artery disease. Now all the treatment is going on only for CAD, and patient is referred to home health agency for medication management for CAD. So, in this example the primary diagnosis would be CAD. In another example suppose patient is coming with chest pain and final diagnosis is CAD. However, while in the hospital, patient fell down from bed, and X-ray shows that femoral fracture. Now in this scenario there are two diagnoses, one is CAD and the second one is fracture, and both are getting medical attention. While patient is referred to home health, physician will order for CAD and fracture both, but while coding such scenario, home health coder has to understand that we need to append primary diagnosis on which home health agency gives more attention. You need to check RN documents. Also, if physiotherapist is involved for fracture, then check who is having more visits, RN or PT, and based on these details, we need to decide the primary diagnosis.